Welcome to PharmaLinkage Platform, where your security and convenience are our priorities. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 1. Accessing the password reset page. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Start by navigating to the PharmaLinkage Platform www.pharmalinkage.com login page. Step 2. Reset password option. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password. Click on the Reset link to initiate the process of resetting your password. Step 3. You'll be redirected to the password reset page. Here, you will be asked to enter the email address associated with your PharmaLinkage Platform account. Step 4. After entering your email, click on the Reset button. The platform will then initiate a verification process to ensure your security. Step 5. Check your email. Keep an eye on your inbox for an email from PharmaLinkage Platform. This email will contain a link to reset your password. Step 6. Open the email and click on the provided link to reset your password. Step 7. You'll be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Follow the guidelines for a secure password. Step 8. Access restored. Once you've successfully reset your password, return to the PharmaLinkage Platform login page. Use your new password to log in and continue exploring the possibilities of pharmaceutical manufacturing collaboration. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at wecare@pharmalinkage.com or raise a support ticket.